Yeah. All the old shit comes out. Month maybe.
Okay. Gotcha.
Return and then always hold it in because it's gonna try. This way. And it's kind of.
So you from San Antonio?
Yeah, I'm from San. There we go. Need to get better at my editing. I try to at least.
Some shit and get paid.
Yeah.
A lot more. Yeah.
I'm just not real good.
I have a lot of homies that post on there and they make.
Cause this right here, look, can you grab that? Put it up here, it's right there. The glue, not the primer, that's a good one. It'll stick.
So does
It would have been okay, but with the angle, it has to be all the way in with that. So maybe like 4 a day. Bunch of the other stuff is like clear that one open. If you want to get the